very important interview questions what is the difference between array and list in the Python? So let's start here. So first understand that is what is the array and what is the list. So array can hold a homogeneous kind of data types. So homogeneous kind of data means uh, it can have same kind of data type, whether it could hold integer kind of data type, or it could hold string kind of data type, or it could hold float type, right? All the data type, all the elements to the same kind of data type. So that is called the homogeneous. So and arrays, one thing is there a fixed size. Once you have declared, so it has a fixed size. You can't grow uh, more by like a list, right? And array is more memory efficient compared to the list. And the second part will be see list. So list, as you know that list can have heterogeneous kind of data types. So it could, one element could have integer, second element could have string, and third element or another element could have the string kind of. So we will see this theory and with as well practical, right? So here I'm creating one simple array. So but before using array, we have to import the array module to creating the array in the Python. So like import array, and we are creating simple array equal to, so array dot array I. I that is what integer kind of data types, and who pass one list like 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, right? And print. So this is let's print here. Print simple. Sorry. So if you say that your means array is created, right? So how we can verify? So we can verify that by using the type keyword type. So if you see that, that is a class array of array. So mean that you have using array, right? So we can also add the element in the array. This is one facility is available. So but when we will add the element, it will be added to end of the array. So like if we add any element, this is the array. This is the like full array, right? And if add any element, then element will be added after 55. Suppose array dot, we will use append method for adding the element in the array, and suppose we are adding 100, right? And after that we print. So if you see that 100 is added, you can also remove element from the array, right? So simple array dot, we can use remove method, and we pass the integer value which element we want to delete it, right? So suppose I want to delete 30, so we pass 30, and print. So if you see that 30 from the above array 30 is now deleted, only 20, 50, 55, 100 is coming. As you know that we can also access the array element by using the indexing, right? So now our the original array is this, right? So suppose we want to access 50. So this indexing will be 0, 1, 2. So simple array of indexing 2. So 50 is coming. So this is the one things in the array, we have the similar kind of data types. We can add or remove the element, and it is means have less built-in function compared to the list. Very limited built-in function is available for the array, right? And And let's see list example. Okay, so now we have a kind of, let's just use simple list, right? And we are copying this list for the simplicity. Okay, so print simple list. So this is a like list is right. We can also verify the type of data structure. So by using the type keyword type simple list. So this is you see that class list. So this is a list kind of the data structure. Initially, when we are using uh, array, so it was the kind of array class, right? So this is the difference. And we can add or remove the element in the list as well. So simple list dot append. Suppose we want to add 200 print simple yes. Like 200 is added in the end of the list, right? And we can also so remove so now our original list is this, and suppose we want to remove the 50. So simple list dot remove by passing the actual number. So we want to delete 30, so be passing a 30. So it is now remove. So simple list. We can also we are using different notebook. So if we pass the variable, this output will come. So 20, 50, 55, 200. That is remove. Another is a method to remove the element. We can use pop method, but pop method is to use indexing base. So now the original list is 20, 50, 55, 200, right? So suppose we want remove the last element, right? That is 200 is removed. So now if we print, that is 200 is. So pop method you use indexing base like minus one from the end, and suppose you want to add any element past indexing number, it will be deleted. And now the original list is to now we add some element here. So suppose we have the another list. List one is equal to 78, 19, 55, and 40. We want to add so simple list dot, and suppose we have the like we want to add multiple value of list in the existing list simple list, so we can use extend method, right? So simple list dot extend and pass the list one print simple list. So now if you see that initial was this, so this is, and we are adding the 78, 19, 55, 40. Now this is added, and so now original list is this, right? So suppose list has provided facility that we can access the element using the indexing base, or we can use slice operator. So we will see both. So simple list. Suppose we want to access this 78. So for the 78 indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this 78 is coming, right? I suppose we want to see the element from 55 to 55, sorry, 50 to 78, right? So we can use slice operator. So simple list, comma. That's so slice operator two things like a starting position and ending position. So it will 50, 20, 50. So indexing will be we start one. So we pass one here, pass the colon and the 178. So indexing will be three, but we have always used plus one. So indexing is three, but we add one because it exclude one length, right? So that's why we are passing four. So now 50, 55, 78 is coming. So, so the overall, this is the like major difference between array and list. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, please comment down. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching the video. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel for more upcoming video.